Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to discuss one coding question. You are given a list of numbers from 1 to 9 in which each word is separated by comma. Your job is to find the sum of two numbers. These two numbers are needed to be calculated as per following rules. Rule 1. First number should be calculated as add all the numbers that don't come between 5 and 8. The second number should be calculated, append all the numbers to each other that comes between 5 and 8. So that means the number one is add all the numbers that don't come between 5 and 8. For second number, append all the numbers to each other that comes between 5 and 8 inclusive. So both the 5 and 8 are included in the number 2. 5 always comes before 8, that is the note. Find the sum of two numbers. So for example, the input 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8, 3, 2. What is the number 1? Number 1 is add all the numbers that don't come between 5 and 8. So that means, so this is the 5, this is the 8. Not come between means 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So that means 6, 4, 10, 12. So number 1 is 12. What is the number 2? Append all the numbers to the each other that comes between 5 and 8 inclusive. That means this is the second number 2. Number 2, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. If we can append these two, if we can add these two, 0, 1, 1, 8, 2, 5. 5, 2, 8, 1, 0. So that is the output. Now we can see how we can solve this problem. First we are giving the input like this. 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. So that is stored in one list. That means, so what is in the LST? In LST, the values 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8, 3, 2. Okay, so split comma. So that means when the comma is encountered, that is treated as one number, one element. So 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8, 3, 2. Now we are going to find the index of 5 and index of 8. So now in this, so what is the index of 5? The index of 5 is 2. The index of 8 is 6. Okay, so that means now I1 equals to 2. I2, that means the index of 8 equals to 6. That means what is the number 2? The number 2 is slicing of this list from 2 to 7. 6 plus 1, so that means 7. So that I am taking as a number 2. LST of I1 to I2 plus 1. So how we get this? 5, 2, 7, 9, 8 like this. Now I want to join all these. That means I can merge all these numbers into one number. So I can use dot join. This is nothing. So single quotation starting and ending. Dot join map str of this list. That means everything is a list. 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. That is join with the help of 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. Now it becomes like this. Now I convert this string into integer. Now what is the number 2? 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. So what is the initially I am taking number 1 equals to 0. So now I am going to find the number 1. How? For I in range of length of LST. So what is the length of LST? 9. That means initially the value equals to 0. How we can take the number 1? The rule is add all the numbers that don't come between 5 and 8. So that means we are going to find these two and these two. So that means in this I am checking if I less than I1. What is I1? 2 less than. When I becomes greater than I2, that means these two. In these two cases only, I am going to add the contents into number 1. So what is the number 1 initially? 0. So 0 less than 2. It is true. So enter into this. Number 1 equals to number 1 plus list of I. What is the list of I? 3. 0 plus 3. And number 1 equals to 3 now. In next iteration, it becomes 1. 1 less than 2. It is true. So 3 plus, what is the number? 4. That means 7. Next iteration, I becomes 2. 2 less than 2, false. 2 greater than 8, false. So we don't enter into the block. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 7, 7 less than 2, false. But 7 greater than 6, 2. So we can access this one. 7 plus 3, 10. In next iteration, it becomes 8. 8 greater than 6, true. So 10 plus 2, 12. That means what is the number 1? 12. So what is the number 2? 5, 2, 7, 8. You are going to add these two. 12 plus 5, 2, 7, 9, 8. So the output is 5, 2, 8, 1, 0. That's it. That is the output. Now we see the execution of the program. I am giving the input 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 9, 8, 3, 2. So 52810 is the output.